Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn on notifications for articles in Facebook on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Look for the notification icon located on the top right corner of the Facebook homepage. Click on it to access your notifications. Step 3. Click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the notifications menu. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, click on Notification Settings. Step 5. Scroll down until you find the section titled Article and click on it. Step 6. Toggle on the switch next to Allow Notifications on Facebook. By following these simple steps, you can enable notifications for articles in Facebook on your PC. Stay updated with the latest articles and never miss out on interesting content. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching.